Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'll be doing another Redbubble shop review video because I know you guys like those a lot and I haven't done one in I think 2 weeks, so I thought I was due for another one. You guys left me lots of comments in the post that I made, so I'm excited to see what shops I have today. If you guys are new to my channel, I like to talk everything print on demand and business related. I've been talking a lot about Redbubble, but I actually just got accepted to merch by Amazon, so I'll be making a lot of videos on that in the near future as well, and I'll mix in a few other type of videos as well. My goal is to get all of you guys to have as many passive income streams as you can and teach you about the ones that I currently have so that you guys can kind of try to replicate my results and have more passive income at your disposal. So if that sounds like something you want to learn more about, then definitely subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with all my content and give this video a thumbs up. But before we get into the reviews, I wanted to announce the giveaway winner. So as you guys probably know, I did a giveaway the other week with Redbubble, and I'll be giving away a few different things from my shop to one lucky winner. I picked this winner at random through one of those YouTube comment generators. So without further ado, the winner is Stacy Livingston. Congrats, Stacy. So just make sure to message me on Instagram with all of your shipping details so I can get the package out to you ASAP and you can get all of your goodies. Thank you so much to everyone that entered this contest, and thank you to Redbubble for partnering with me on it. I actually will be doing another giveaway with Redbubble, so don't worry if you didn't win this one. You'll definitely have another chance at an awesome prize pack again. So stay tuned for that because I'll be announcing that one in the next couple of weeks as well. But now that we've revealed the winner, let's get into the shop reviews. Okay, so the first shop here is Heather McCallister, and right off the bat her banner is super descriptive as to what she does. She has graphic art and photography, and then she has some products under, so I don't know if that's what she specializes in, but yeah, I'm not sure why that's there, but the banner itself other than that looks good. So for her featured collection she has circle stickers, so let's see what the American flag, some landscape, some quotes, so a good variety. And then let's just look at the shop. She has some pumpkins, so I think she's trying to capitalize on obviously the fall and Halloween niche, which is a good idea. Some music stuff. So I think the shop has a bit of everything, which is good if you're trying to find a niche that, you know, works for you, and if you're just at the beginning, which I can see here that she is since she joined in May. She has a total of 29 designs, which is not bad, but definitely try to keep consistent posting on Redbubble, especially if you want to have better chances of selling your designs. So let's go into this retro TV sticker. It's pretty cool, and I think that this one would do well. So analog television sticker is the description for the product. I would say add the word retro in there, and maybe even rainbow since it's kind of a rainbow in the background. Just anything that might help bring people to that sticker, and keywords that might embody whatever your sticker is, because I think analog television is a bit limited. And then the description is there, a retro and fun 70s inspired TV design. So that one's pretty good. Let's see the tags. Okay, there's quite a few here, and she definitely has a wide variety. So she has like vintage, aesthetic, nostalgia, cartoon, TV. So it definitely covers all of the aspects of the artwork, and she even has her username, which is great because if people are searching that, they can most likely find it. And then let's just see what other products. Oh, this one looks really good on a t-shirt here, on a hoodie. I didn't even think of that. Actually looks good on pillows, mugs. So this one works really well for a lot of different designs, and I can see that she has it enabled on almost all the designs, so that is great, and hopefully you've gotten some sales from it. All right, let's go to the next shop. So the next shop here is Unicorn Love 143. They just joined in August 2020, so they're a very new shop. From the banner, I'd say I'm not quite sure what kind of shop this is. Like, it looks like there's some photography and also some graphic design, but it's maybe a little bit too cluttered. So I would say maybe just make it slightly more simple, and if you're gonna put like words on it, make sure that the words kind of relate to whatever your shop niche or category is, so that people know kind of what they're getting, because just by that banner it's a bit confusing. All right, so let's see what type of artwork they have. So yeah, it looks like they have like some cartoon things, some graphic design stuff, just I guess like a big mix of things. Do they have any categories or collections? So you don't have any collections as of now. I would highly recommend putting the collections on because that kind of helps divide your store into whatever categories that you have, and people can easily find what they're looking for. Just because when I'm looking at your shop initially, it does look a bit like confusing, like I don't know what kind of theme you have going on, and if I'm looking for something specific, I might lose my interest because I don't know what I'm looking for. But I see you have like BTS tall mugs, so maybe have that as a collection. Dream World, and kind of a few of those like Dream World artwork, so that could be another collection. Some cartoony stuff, that could be another collection. So just ways that can make the shopping experience easier and more obvious for the buyer. So I'll just go into this butterfly design here. So Red Butterfly is the name. That's pretty good. Maybe I would add in like watercolor or something like that just to give a little more description. So you have ordered to get it here as the product description. I would more likely lean towards something that describes the actual image or product that you're selling, as opposed to like letting them know they should order it, because Redbubble kind of already takes care of all those phrases and call to action buttons. So I would use that space more so for keywords. And then let's see the product tags. So we have butterfly red, beautiful drawing, although I think you're missing an A, a ret, I'm not sure what that is, BF, sky, flower. So I think with the tags, you could definitely use a few more tags that are describing what the image is about, and even just like things that are more general, like watercolor, like I said, or paint, something like that, splatter. And just make sure all your product tags are spelled correctly so that you actually show up for those results, because those could be really good tags that you're missing out on. All right, so let's go to our next shop. So next we have Button Baby. Right off the bat, you can tell this is a store that's catered for baby products, which I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it seems like a good idea, especially if you have artwork that's appropriate for like baby designs like they have here. I like how they already made their banner Halloween base that looks super professional and just, you know, captures that market that's looking for fall inspired products right now. Okay, so you have featured collection Halloween Button Baby. That's super smart. So far this shop looks perfect, like they've done everything right. And then here you have Button Boys. You should make a Button Girls one too. I think that would obviously get you some more sales, but all of the images look really professional, really cute. Definitely something people would want for their kids. Oh, and you actually just joined this month, so congrats on your new Redbubble store. I think you're doing really great so far. Yeah, nice little description here. Let me go into one of your Halloween stickers, or Halloween designs. I'm actually curious to know if you've sold anything Halloween related. I'm also gonna be launching some Halloween related stuff on my store or on my second store. I'm not sure which one yet, but I'm excited to see if you guys have had luck with the Halloween niche yet, because it would be my first year trying it. So the title is Halloween Quarantine. So I would definitely add pumpkin in there, because that is a pretty big keyword that people are definitely searching. Maybe even boo. Yeah, just a little more description. The about or the product description is a little simple. Like, I get it, I think that's the point. But you might be missing out on some keywords. Okay, wow, a lot of product tags right off the bat. So this is definitely more than like their recommended amount, but in some places of Redbubble it says you can do up to, I think, 50. So I don't know why they say that they only recommend like 15 when the limit is 50. So who knows, maybe that is good, but I think you could definitely take out a few. Especially like Halloween apron. I don't think you need that because that will automatically pop up for that item, and just ones that have like the item in it, you don't need to do that. But a lot of these are really good. A lot of them are kind of repetitive, so maybe just take out some of them that seem kind of long or repetitive, because they won't really help you if you already have that word in there. But overall, I think this is a great shop, especially in your first month. Everything looks amazing. You know, you've done everything right pretty much, so good luck with your store. So next we have Ninja Store. Right off the bat, they have a pretty cute banner where it says welcome to the store, and then just explore, choose, buy. So I'm not 100% sure like what their store artwork is going to be like just from this banner, but it's a nice little kind of welcome banner. Okay, so they have a lot of collections here. They also have a Halloween 2020, so that's a great idea. And let's see what else they have. A lot of quotes, some graphic design stuff, some photography here. So it is a mix of stuff. I'm curious to know which one you're doing the best with. So some more BTS here. So that seems like a popular category. I'm actually curious to know what the sales are in that niche and if people are doing well with it. So yeah, a lot of stuff here. Yeah, like they say in the description, a wide range of clothing, apparel, stationery. And let's go into one of the designs. So actually let's go into the BTS one just to see kind of what that's all about. So this one is on the mask. It doesn't fit quite perfectly, so maybe if you could expand that image a little bit just so that the bottom touches and that there's no white space there. But other than that, it looks good. You just have his name and BTS as the name, so that is good. They have description here. This one is for those whose bias is Jimin. I don't know if that's how you say his name, but that's pretty good. Maybe add like a little more keywords into this, or I don't know, something that like a fan of his would relate to. Then the tags, we have K-pop merge, BT, K-pop, BTS, a lot of like just K-pop stuff and stuff related to BTS, which makes sense. So it looks like they have a lot of good tags that would definitely get the right customer to this product. So next we have this store. I will probably mispronounce your name, so maybe just let me know in the comments how to say it. But you have a nice picture banner here, so that makes me think that you're kind of gonna have that style of artwork. So you have lots of collections, colorful, black and white, patterns, blended, artsy. It's good variety. Oh, these are really cool. I like the kind of color tones and everything of this one. It all kind of matches together. So we have some landscape, some like graphic design kind of with the sun, some plants, some shells, so a little bit of everything here, but it still has kind of like a consistent theme. And these are kind of cool, these like blurry girl silhouettes. Okay, so you have 97 designs. Also fairly new shop owner as of May 2020. So yeah, I love seeing that all of you guys have opened your own shops recently and are actually trying out selling your own designs, because that's the way to do it. You just have to try, put yourself out there, and you never know what will work and what won't. All right, so I'm just gonna go to one of these images. Let's go to this coconut tree, because you guys know I love anything tropical. So coconut tree throw pillow, that looks good. Maybe I would include like coconut tree and beach, because you have the beach in the background there. And it just brings, you know, all those people looking for beach to this design as well. The description, we have coconut tree in candy color. So same thing, you could add a little bit more here. Maybe like coconut tree in purple and pink pastel candy color or something like that. And then the product tags, we have tree, beach, tree, coconut tree, beach, plants, palm tree, tropical, vacation, beaches, adventure, summer. That's definitely a good start. I'd say you could add a couple more, maybe like pink, purple, because those are the colors that are in it. What else do you have here? You have a lot of good ones. Maybe like travel, I don't know, ocean, because there is ocean in it. And obviously you guys know that's a popular tag. But overall, especially as a new Redbubble shop owner, you're doing really good. Okay, so this is the last shop we have, Honor Core. Sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. but you seem to be doing stickers based on your banner, and it's cool that you do custom orders as well, and you put it right there front and center so people know that they can definitely get more from you if what they're looking for isn't on your shop. So lots of collections here, that is great. I think that's probably the most I've seen so far. Oh, I like that you have the best selling option. That is always a great idea because people love, you know, buying things that they know other people have bought. And let me just click in there, right? Yeah, so this Baby Yoda here is popular. I can imagine that sold well. Scrunchies, cute. I've seen a lot of those, that's good. I like the Grey's Anatomy ones, and then voting, of course, that's popular right now on these sites. So let's go into this Baby Yoda. See, I don't know if you're allowed to say Baby Yoda because of copyright issues, so maybe that's why I said Baby Alien, so that's good. No description, so I would maybe put something in the description just to kind of help bring more traffic your way and just get people a general sense of what you designed. All right, so you have lots of tags here. Is it Baby Yoga or no, Baby Yoda? I don't even know what it's called, but yeah, make sure you're doing whatever the right name is if you want people to find it. So let me just look into this. Let me just look into this sticker to see if you have a description for this one. No description for this one either. So just try to add like a quick 1-sentence description for all of your artwork because I think it will definitely help you. And yeah, lots of good tags for this one as well. I feel like it's a bit harder sometimes to tag things that are from TV shows because, you know, there's only so much you can say, but it looks like you've done a good job with this one. Yeah, so overall, good store, and just add a bit more descriptions to all your products, but it looks like you're really in the sticker niche, so it's, you know, stuff that I think would do really well on stickers, but let me know how you're doing and keep posting. All right, so those were all my shop reviews for today. Thank you everyone for submitting all of your shops, and like always, I'll continue to do these, so don't give up, keep submitting, and one day you might get picked. I just want to say that I'm really happy that a lot of you guys have actually made these stores. I know a lot of comments have said I'm gonna start making a shop, so it looks like you guys have taken that into action. And every time I see a new store, it just really gets me excited because there's so much potential with this, and if you keep it consistent and, you know, just follow a few basic guidelines and principles of posting on Redbubble, then, you know, at some point you will start seeing success. If you liked watching this video and want to see more review videos in the future, give this one a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you can stay not only up to date with my videos, but also with my posts so that you know when to post your link for videos like this, and so that you know when giveaways or any other exciting news I have is coming out. But that's all I have for today, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.